The year was 1870. Ravi Verma left his hometown for the first time on a pilgrimage to Mukambika in present-day Karnataka. On his return journey home, as if blessed by the goddess herself, Ravi Verma got his first commission to paint a picture. This was from a member of the legal fraternity. Kilake Palat Krishna Menon commissioned Ravi Verma to paint his family portrait. With this painting would commence Ravi Verma's career, which would go on to alter the aesthetic of the people of the Indian subcontinent and beyond. 2020 marks 150 years since the commencement of Ravi Verma's illustrious career. The Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation was established in 2019. It thereafter partnered with Google Arts and Culture. 2019 was also 125 years since the launch of the Ravi Verma Press. In order to commemorate 125 years, the Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation launched on its Google Arts and Culture platform a comprehensive collection of fine chromolithographs from the Ravi Verma Press. This was launched in September 2019 by Her Highness Shubhangini Raje, the Rajmata Ji of Baroda. Today, the Ravi Verma legacy, as any other cultural legacy, is a shared legacy. Past and present collectors, academicians, students and researchers, archives and repositories all hold fragments of this legacy. One must first recognize that in order to make a comprehensive narrative, it has to be a collaborative effort. The Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation reached out to stakeholders from across the world, and today it is a collaborative effort of over 20 custodians. 3 palaces from India, the Kaudayar Palace in Thiruvananthapuram, the Kilimanur Palace in Kilimanur, and the Royal Gaikwad Collection from Vadodara have contributed to this commemorative. 3 government museums, the Sri Chitra Art Gallery in Thiruvananthapuram, the Government Museum in Chennai, and the Sri Bhavani Museum and Library in Aund have also collaborated with us. Other notable contributors are the Delhi Art Gallery, the Upper Rao Foundation, and the Oceans in Mumbai. The Naam Foundation of Suhasini Hasan and Venkat Ram have also contributed images from their 2020 calendar. I originally estimated that I would commemorate 150 years with about 50 exhibits. But it is a great astonishment to me and a blessing that being launched today on the Google Arts and Culture platform of the Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation is over 200 exhibits of his paintings, sketches and archival photographs. It's also a full circle moment for me. Ravi Verma's career began with a member of the legal fraternity. 150 years later, it takes a lawyer to bring him back. Inaugurating this exhibit is Her Highness Shubhangini Raje, the Rajmata Ji of Baroda.
Namaskar. The strong association of the artist Raja Ravi Verma with the royal family of Baroda goes back to 1881, when the artist was invited to paint the official portrait to record the investiture ceremony of Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad. The Maharaja was then a young newlywed man of 18 years, and thus began a lifelong friendship and patronage. Not only was he commissioned to paint portraits of the young family of His Highness Maharaja Sayajirao, but also large paintings of Hindu gods and goddesses and other characters from the epics, Ramayana and the Mahabharata, to be hung on the walls of Maharaja's new palace, the Lakshmi Vilas Palace of Baroda. As an extension of this patronage and friendship, a special studio was built for the artist in the estate, and it stands there even today. His Highness's continued support to the artist is exemplified again when he funds the establishment of the Ravi Varma Press. Therefore, there is a rich legacy of art associated with our family and Raja Ravi Varma. We can claim that the artist received the patronage at the right time in his career. Hence, arguably, his best works are in the possession of the Baroda royal family. In September 2019, coinciding with the 125th commemoration of the Ravi Varma Press, I had the pleasure to inaugurate the Google Arts and Culture platform of the Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation. Thus, a comprehensive collection of oleographs from the collection of Ganesh Shivaswamy was made available to the public. Soon after, Ganesh had commenced the present project, to which we gave our support. 2020 marks the 150 years since the commencement of the artist's professional career, for his first commissioned painting was in the year 1870. Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation started collecting images of the paintings and sketches. I am extremely happy to note that with the tremendous support and response of collectors across the world, he is now launching images of paintings, sketches and archival photographs of the works of the artist. It therefore gives me great pleasure to inaugurate the exhibits of the paintings and sketches of Raja Ravi Varma on the Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation on Google Arts and Culture. Thank you.
Her Highness Ashwati Tirunal Princess Gauri Lakshmi Bai is the great-great-granddaughter of Raja Ravi Varma. But distinguishing her is that she is the author of 12 books. Her book on Padmanabha Swami is considered an authority on the temple. She has contributed an article to this commemorative, which is now a 3-part biography of the artist on Google Arts and Culture. It is the first of its kind to make its way onto the Google Arts and Culture platform. A statement from Her Highness Ashwati Tirunal Princess Gauri Lakshmi Bai. No narrative on Ravi Varma can be complete without a statement from Kilimanur. An aristocracy which was the artistic cradle and intellectual hub of that area. Ravi Varma was born there and Ravi Varma passed away there. It was his hometown. Joining in the commemorative is the Kilimanur Palace Trust, and representing the trust today is Ramavarma Tamburan of the Kilimanur Palace.
Namaste. I am Ramavarma Tamburan from Kilimanur Palace. My humble pranams to the esteemed and eminent personalities associated with this program. This is a very special and momentous occasion for all of us who love and adore the great painter prince artist Raja Ravi Varma. I am immensely glad to be a part of this royal and auspicious function commemorating and celebrating 150th year of the great saga of his painting career. On behalf of my family members of Kilimanur Palace, I convey my warm greetings, deep appreciation and my best wishes to this great and commendable venture. My heartiest congratulations to Mr. Ganesh Shivaswamy for his great efforts to keep the legacy of the great artist Raja Ravi Varma. And special thanks to Google Art and Culture, Baroda Royal Family, Charanpur Royal Family, and all other eminent personalities.
I thank you all for listening to this inaugural video, and I invite each and every one of you to visit the Google Arts and Culture page of the Ganesh Shivaswamy Foundation, commemorating 150 years of Ravi Verma's illustrious career.
Mela